Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back. My name is Adricor, and today we're going to do another weak aura tutorial. Today we're going to use progress bars. So this one's going to be a little more intricate than the pre-made auras. Progress bars. I'm going to show you how to do one for your health. Some people don't like using unit frames or they want another reference to their health. I'm just going to go over the different things you can do with progress bars. So by default, you just hit progress bars and it'll be red. By default, it's going to put a timer on one side and the name of the bar on the other, which of course is new. We're going to call it health. You'll see when I change the name, it'll change it down here. And I can pick whatever color I want for the bar, but we're going to keep it red right now because it is for health. Now, as you can see right now, it's tracking a timer. That's obviously not what we want to do it, but that's because it's currently set to track a buff, which obviously needs a timer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here. I'm going to do player unit info, and we're going to select health of the player. You can have it show up if your health gets to a certain amount. So if I do this, then it's only going to show when my health is one of these operators below a certain amount, which I can hit over here, or health percentage, or both. I can also fetch heals and absorbs, which will make it so that the health bar accounts for those as well as incoming healing. So now you can see over here it has my health, and over here it has my name. Your text can be a lot of different things. As you can see right now, it says %P, which as you see up here is the progress. So when you do progress and you're looking at health, it's going to show your max health as a normal number. So what we want to do is we want to change this. So what we're going to do is we're going to just get rid of that. And over here, thankfully, there's a shortcut for what I'm talking about, which is %health. And then we're going to hit OK. So now you can see over here, I'm at 100% health. And again, over here is my name. So we're going to go to, on this side, we're actually going to do something different. We're going to do what class I am, just for the heck of it, right? So we're going to do class, and then we'll hit OK. And you can see health, demon hunter. You can make this any size you want, big or small, doesn't matter. You could even do this in a different orientation if you wanted. So, okay. And so now you can see that we're tracking some kind of buff. We'll do horizontal orientation like this. So what you can do is now, if you want, you could have it go bottom to top, which can go this way, or obviously, probably for health, you'd want to do it the other way, right? Top to bottom. So what we're going to do is we're now going to show what we can do with a spell cooldown. So we're going to do spell cooldown, and for the heck of it, let's do immolation aura just so we have a rolling cooldown. Okay. And as you can see, you'll say you want to track the charges or any of that kind of thing. You can track cooldowns auto. Up here, see now that these have disappeared because these texts don't make sense for what we're doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to percentage. That's going to give us a progress number, as you can see right here. Now, obviously that's way too small. So we're going to make it bigger so that we can see it here. And we're going to change the color. Since simulation aura will make it green. Excellent. So now you can also see that class isn't displayed because again, that doesn't make any sense. When you go up here, when you do anything that's going to have stacks, you want to also make sure when you click track cooldowns, you select charges, right? That way the weak aura knows that you're trying to do charges. So that when you come back over here, you add text. When you do %S and hit OK, you'll now see this tiny number right here. Obviously, that's not what we want. So we're going to be moving the text downwards. And the way we're going to do that is if you just do an X or Y offset, it's not going to go very far. So what you want to do is scroll down and under anchors, you're going to change it. For me, let's go with bottom. So now you can see it's anchored down here to the bottom. Now I can see when I make the spell bigger, boom, I have 2 charges and this is the cooldown on each charge. Now, as you can see, I have 1 charge and the cooldown's ticking. So that's how you use bars for any of your things. You can also use them for energy, which is the same. You just select energy instead of health when you change the bar. And this is how you can use them for spells. The other thing you can do, if you really want, instead of having the name, you can have to add a glow if you want. There can be some kind of border glow if it's easier to see. You can have a model where there's like a texture at the bottom if you want it to look cool. A bunch of different things you can do. You can also, if you want, add text, and then you can have this also actually double as showing the name like this in the middle. Or you can do one eye. And so that will make it so that it shows the icon for it. As you can see, it's really tiny, but you can make it big. So there it is. All right, guys. Hope this has been helpful, and we will see you in the next one.